pudding looks like. Let's go ahead and open up the jar. It's nice and congealed. Let's just make a check. Perfect. Do you see how it has thickness to it like a pudding? I'll scoop some so you can really see. It's perfect. You're gonna need some coconut chunks, a little bit of raspberries, organic blueberries, strawberries, and some frozen banana. All this stuff is frozen for a reason. I will get into it once we start plating. You're also going to need some granola. This video is not sponsored by any of these brands. I am just showing you what I use. Alright, what you're looking at in this blender is frozen organic bananas, frozen organic strawberries, and frozen coconut chunks. Those are organic too. You're going to add some delicious organic coconut milk to your blender so that it can blend all together smoothly, but you don't want it to be too runny. You want it to be just the right thickness and consistency. We're going to pour this on in. If anyone has any tips on how to make your blender not look so frosted, let me know in the comments down below. We're going to turn on the blender. Boom. I have my blender set to a smoothie setting, but if you don't have a setting, you can always do manual. Gems, you might want to cover your ears. The thing goes on the top in case you need to like stir it around. Perfect. You don't want it to be too runny and you don't want it to be too thick. You'll see when I pour it into the cup. I have these beautiful little kiwi decorations all around my cup. You're going to take your chai pudding and you're going to scoop some of it inside of your cup. Now you can also just eat it out of the mason jar. If you're on the go, you know, just pour your smoothie in the mason jar and everything is, you know, easy. But I have time today, so I'm gonna put it in my cup. Alright, so I'm gonna scoop it out and gently stick it into the cup. The reason why I don't have kiwi on the back here is so that, for picture reasons, honestly. I'm gonna fill this up until about past the kiwis, and then we're gonna add the smoothie. But as you can see, the texture of the chai pudding is perfect. Okay, and we're just spreading it out. One more scoop. Should do it. Probably one more. I'm going to just cover those kiwis up, which we did, and it looks great. Now, the rest of this, you can have for a snack later, or dump it all in. But I need to leave room for the smoothie. So far, this is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like inside of the cup from a different angle. Now we're going to add our smoothie topping to the top. And smooth it out. We want to leave a little room at the top for toppings. So I'm also pressing down. Perfect. The rest of this is gonna go into this. The rest of it's gonna go into this jar for my snack for later. Delicious. Just to give you a little spin before we put toppings on. It's looking so good. Okay, let's add toppings. Here I have a little bit of frozen blueberries, a little bit of frozen raspberries, some fresh kiwi, and we're gonna also put some granola. And there you have it, a coconut chai pudding cup for the morning with delicious fruit. It's so delicious and easy to make. I hope you guys make it at home and totally enjoy it.